Heightened concerns after a report sent to Parliament was returned to Auditor General's office. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Log. Also this evening, fiery protest in St. Catherine after 2 men fatally shot by police, and later gangs continue to wreak havoc in Haiti. There's also Saturday Sports Special in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.